game. Okay, whole chapters from the beginning till the end of the world. Okay, so yesterday I have received your work. All right, so let me take a photo first. All right, so just a tiny minor problems, just a minor problems. Okay, I found some of your work. Oops, sorry, not here. It should be here. Okay, just a minor problem. Can you see it? Okay, can you see it? Yes or no? Yes. Online game or paper game? Online paper game. Yes. So small. What about now? Okay, there is only one mistake there. Could you spot it out? One mistake. Lack of explanation. Yes, the first one, lack of explanation. Okay, but that's not the most important mistake. Okay, for example, this is the true bearing because you need to locate the position. Okay, you need to allocate the position where you are and which position you're looking at. So you need to identify the true bearing of P from O, but almost all of you did not write that, but it's not important. Oh, the direction, not really, because we are talking about the true bearings, 真方位角, or you can call it the whole circle bearing. So you don't need to identify the position north, east, southwest, because using whole circle bearings, you just need to give me the degrees. Yes, Felix, good answer. Okay, for part B and part D, they share the same mistake. What it is? Okay, the answer. Okay, remember for true bearing, the angle should be in 3 digits, not 2. Okay, when you are talking about 3 digits, talking about the true bearings, we need to have 3 digits. Okay, however, some of you just give me 68 degree and 50 degree. That is not correct. You need to give me 3 digits number. All right? Yeah, you missed the 0 too. Not just you, you are not alone. Okay, quite a lot of you have forgot to write down the 0 at front. Okay, so remember, when you're giving the whole circle bearings, you need to give me 3 digits. However, for the compass bearing, 攞盤方位角, or the reduced bearing that you have been using in Form 1, you just need to give me, for example, north 68 degree east. You don't need to give me 3 digits. Okay, but you need to give me the direction that you're looking at. All right. All right. Okay, so just these 2 minor mistakes. And yes, explanation and also the steps. Okay, I hope you all can give me more about that. All right. So 我 iPad 有少壞壞地，唔知發生咩事。Anyway, so I don't think I need to talk that much. So I will just do one examples with you all, and then the rest, I think you know how to do that. Okay, so let's do that. First of all, okay, part A and part B, they are very similar. Part A and part B, they are very similar. In part A, you need to find the compass bearing. Compass bearing, that means the one look like this. Okay, of B from A. Of B from A. So you are standing at A and looking towards B. You want to find the compass bearing, so the degree, the angle size. So maybe we can do that together. So we start from, this time we start from south, the direction south, and look in this position, in this direction. So you need to find this angle here. Let's name it as theta. Okay, theta would equal to 215 degree minus 180 degree. So it equals to 35 degree. So the compass bearing of B from A is, okay, you start from south looking at the west in the angle size of 35 degrees. So what would it be? Sing Sing, what is the compass bearing? Hi, Sing Sing. Hi.
South 三到 west
West, thank you. Okay, so good answer. Next. Okay, this time we want to find the compass bearing of A from B. So let me ask Katie. You're standing at A or B this time?
Standing at B.
Standing at B. Okay, so can you tell me what's the angle? What's the bearing?
North 35 degree east.
Very good. North 35 degree east. Okay, thank you so much. So of A from B 由 B 出發望過去 so you're talking about this angle, so north 35 degree east. Why 35 degree? Because you find that in part A already. All right, the next one, the true bearing of B from A 由 A 望過去嘅 true bearing, so it will be very easy, just 215 degree. The true bearing of B from A 由 A 望過去 B 嘅 true bearing 215度啦。Okay, and here this time of A from B. 由 B 望過去咯 OK 由 B 望過去 that means you want to find this angle here. Oh, you're wrong. You have find it in part A already. This is 35 degrees. So the bearing here, you start with north and looking towards east by 35 degrees. So the true bearing is 035 degree. Any question? Easy. Okay, if it is easy, then let's jump a little bit to let's ask you questions then. Example 2, 快問快答. Okay, so today is the 17th of February, so let me ask number 17. Okay, Mr. So, give me the answer.
Uh, 130.
130. Are you at the same
Oh,
question?
Yes.
Of O from P.
Oh, compass bearing. Oh, I mixed it up. But south 50 degree is.
How would you get this 50 degree? You're mentioning this angle, right?
Yes.
How can you find this?
I found the true bearing of O from P, and
how to find the true bearing then?
360 degree minus 325 degree.
Or you'll find this angle. So
And
what is the angle size?
And it plus 90 degrees is equal to the true bearing of O from P.
Can you repeat once again? This angle, so this angle is how many? 360 minus 325 degree is equal to 35 degree.
35. And it is equal to the angle of P, the alternate angle.
Or alternate angles, yes. So
And 90 minus, if we are finding compass bearing,
yes, compass bearing.
south 35 degrees.
Yes, south 35 degree east. Okay, so you don't need to find that much. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. So all right, so the compass bearing of O from P. So you start with south and looking towards east. You want to find this angle, so you find this angle. But during the conversation, do you notice one thing? It's hard for you to mention the angle. 係咪好難講啊？嗰隻角咧，呢隻角咧，嗰隻角。All right. So in order to make our life more easier, maybe we can use some symbols to identify the angle. How to mention that angle? Okay. So this is Mr. Lee method. Okay, you can follow or you can label it yourself by yourself. So every point there are north, east, southwest. So Mr. Liu will define this as SP, the south position of point P. And here it is EP, it is NP, and it is West P. Okay? And also here, the north position of also, I will say NO, a small letter O, that is east, and E, that is south E, and this is West E. Then when you are talking about the angles, it will be much more easier. For example, you want to mention this angle, 35 degree. Okay, you can just write angle P O and O is equal to this angle. Then you don't need to mention this angle, that angle, the alternate angle, the right angle, something like that. OK， 你都係冇啲 point 啫嘛。咁你啲 point， 哇！如果我要你每個都叻 A、B、C、D， 你應該死咗啦。點解咧？因為你叻 A、B、C、D， 一個就叻 A、B、C、D， 10個就叻晒40個，要叻40個 point 噶咯喎，咁啊好難咯。咁所以我哋會用個，即係我自己啦，會用個 small letter 喺下面嘅，NO 啊，跟住呢一度係 EO 啊 ，sorry，EO、SO and WO。OK， just my notation. You can, if you have any other possible case, then you can use your own notation. Okay, so here also the same. Let's define the points. Okay, so this is the north of O, and O is southwest. Referring to figure. Referring to figure. Okay, north, east, southwest. So this is NP, EP, SP, and WP. Okay, I know some of you need some time to copy. All right, this time I want to find the compass bearing of P from O. So let's continue our work. It should be 16, number 16. Who is number 16? Mr. C. Mr. C. Compass bearing of B from O， 我哋要揾邊一隻角啊？ Mr. C， 開咪得嘛 ，Mr. C？ 係，我哋揾邊隻角啊？
上面嗰隻
上面嗰隻由邊度企？你企喺邊啊？今次 of P from O， 咁你係企喺邊個位啊？
O
你企喺 O 嘅位置，咁所以今次我哋要揾邊一隻啊？
P 好嘛？
我而家俾晒啲 point 你咯喎，你而家話俾我知要揾邊一隻？我要揾個 compass bearing 啊嘛 ，compass bearing 咁第一樣嘢啦，要定義翻個方向先啦，由邊個方向望向邊個方向先？你企喺 O 點，你望向 P 點。OK， 俾嗰兩個字母我啊，由邊到邊啊？由邊個方向望啊？
由
compass bearing
北
由北望向
望
東定係
向
西 ？East or west？
West
OK， 跟住我要揾邊一隻角啊？即係而家
上面嗰隻
上面嗰隻，俾三個字母我啊。邊隻啊
P O P E 啊
？O P E 邊度有 E 啊 ？O P E 呢一隻
係啊
錯。記住，喂，你喺 O 點喎，你喺 O 點望過去喎，由北望向西
P O N
P O N 冇錯啦。OK，P O， 咁我哋唔會寫 N 嘅，因為 N 係個 direction 嚟嘅啫。咁我哋自己整咗個新嘅 notation 叫 N O。OK，P O N O 即係我要揾呢一隻。好，點樣揾啊？呢隻角點揾？係幾多度啊
？360減325，
冇錯，即係幾多
35
？35度。咁所以可唔可以話俾我知個 compass bearing 係幾多
35
？compass bearing 成
compass
個
bearing
方位
N 35 W
冇錯啦 ，N 35度 W 啦。Thank you，thank you。OK， 係啦，咁你要跟翻足啲啦。OK， 記住我哋係由邊個 point 出發？由 O 出發望向 P， 由 O 出發望向 P。咁所以你向住北方，然後轉個頭過去。OK， 咁我哋係由北向西。咁所以第一樣嘢揾咗嗰兩個方向先啦，之後再揾個角度就得啦。OK， 好 ，true bearing of O from P。睇嚟我哋可能有啲要做多少少題目先得，有啲同學唔係好跟得到。OK， 好。NP east of P south of P west of P， 跟住呢一度 north of O east of O south of O and then west of O. Okay, so number 15.
145 degree.
How to find that?
360 degree minus 325 degree plus 90 degree.
Okay, so I know the answer is 135 degree, but better write down the steps, maybe. Okay, so the step one, maybe. Okay, you're finding this angle here, so angle NOOMP is equal to 360 degree YY 地之8 minus 325 degrees, so equals to 35 degree. Then you are finding, okay, you're finding from P, so you look from P, okay, you are finding this theta. So you are finding.
Mr. Lee,
Yeah.
answer should be 125 degree.
Oh, 25 degree. Okay, thank you. So you're finding angle NPPO. So equals to 90 plus 90 minus 35 degree. So you'll be having 125 degree at last. Alright, OK 個 D part 唔做啦，太悶啦。OK， 由 P 出發望向 O， 由 P 出發望向 O 嘅真方位角 true bearing， 咁所以你係揾緊由0開始過去。145。Oh yes. Let me calculate it. So it should be 90 degree plus 555 degrees. So it should be, oh yeah, it should be 145. Oh no, it's not this angle. Okay, why it will make this kind of mistakes? Because once you find 35 degree, by alternate angles, it should equals to this one. This is 35 degree. However, we are finding this one. So not just 90 plus this angle. Instead, it's 90 degree plus the remainder angle here. Okay, so you better write the steps. Should we write all the steps as much as possible? Okay, I would accept, okay, because we are doing this kind of simple questions, then steps is not that required. However, when you are doing wording questions, 文字題嘅時候, you need to identify which angle you're finding. That's why it's better for you to write down the steps at that moment, okay? So, jump a little bit steps. Okay, it's not correct. Sorry. All right. Okay, the last one, I don't want to mention that. All right, so let's try to do this yourself. Example 3. OK， 開始做啲例如好似呢啲咁樣嘅題目，咁你要話俾我知你揾緊邊一隻角，咁所以呢啲題目咪要寫 step 咯。OK， 如果唔係你一條式答俾我嘅話，我都唔知你邊隻角打邊隻角。都係嗰句啦，錯失咗個 M 分係你自己嘅。OK， so okay, so for example, this one, I want to find the compass bearing of A from C， 由 C 望向 A 嘅 compass bearing。咁你要話俾我知邊隻角先至啱，而你過程裡面可能涉及揾多過一步嘅話，咁你集咯搞。OK， let's say maybe you can notate, okay, define some points there. Okay, C point 嘅 east，C point 嘅 west，C point 嘅 north，C point 嘅 south 啦。下面呢一度 A point 嘅 east，A point 嘅 south，A point 嘅 west 同埋 A point 嘅 north。OK， 最尾呢一度啦 ，B point 嘅 east。B point 嘅 south，B point 嘅 west 同埋 B point 嘅 north， 咁你咪可以標角咯。例如我想講呢一隻角，橙色嘅呢隻角，咁我就唔需要話dead 17 degree 啦。你有多過一隻17 degree， 你就會好難去標示佢。但係有咗呢啲 notation 之後，你咪知道佢係咩啊 ？OK， 佢就係 WA。同埋 C 咯，咁你咪可以話到俾我知，哦，你其實講緊呢一隻角嘅。OK， What about reasons? Not that strict 啦。OK， 你寫到就寫埋啦。OK， 我唔想刻意再講到底需唔需要寫 reasons 啊。OK， 寫到就寫啦。 OK， 我學嘅時候，我個 Miss 會要求我寫咯。咁但係係咯 ，necessary not that because you know the meaning. Okay, so part A, you want to find the bearing of A from C. You want to find the compass bearing of A from C. Compass bearing. Okay, so part A. So let's continue. Let me ask someone first. Okay, so we're finished 15. So 14, number 14. Okay, Sunny, which angle
Yes.
we are finding in terms of letters? Can you tell me which angle we are finding?
Uh, uh,
由 C 望向 A 嘅 compass bearing， 或者你俾咗個方向我先啦。From where to where？ 由 C 望向 A 要點望
south 去 east 係嘛？
？South 去 East 冇錯啦。OK，from south towards east. So which angle we are finding? Give me the name.
West A C is South C.
South C, and then west of A 啦。OK, yes, we are finding this angle. So how to find that? 點樣揾呢一隻啊？紅色嘅呢一隻點樣揾啊？諗下有冇啲角度用得到啊？題目嘅角度點樣用17度？用唔用得到？OK， 嗱諗一諗喎，而家我呢隻17度同我呢隻紅色有冇關係嘅咧？你諗下，呢隻17度兩條線平衡嘅喎，咁會點啊？諗到啲咩？諗到啲嘢？
冇啊，完全諗唔到。
咦，睇睇先，你見到呢度兩條平衡會發生咩事啊？我又問翻你啦。
alternative angles
冇錯啦，咁所以上面呢一隻應該幾多度啊
？17度。
上面呢隻應該
之後
係
90度減17度。
17度冇錯。Very good, very good. Okay, so I will help you to write down the steps. Okay, thank you so much. So first of all, angle EC. Thank you. A is equal to angle CAWA equals to 17 degree. OK， 即係話俾你知上面呢就17度啦。So angle SCCWA is equal to 90 degree minus 17 degree, also equals to 73 degree. Okay, so this time this angle is 73 degree. You know that. Okay, from south to east by 73 degree. Then you got the angle. So the compass bearing of A from C 由 由 C 望向 A 就係 south 73度 east. Good job. Okay, so be careful to this kind of alternate angles. Okay, 咁 true bearing 我又唔問啦，我 true bearing 我就唔問啦。OK，part B 咯，part B。 Okay, I want to find the, for example, this time, I want to find the true bearing of A from B 由 B 望向 A 嘅 true bearing。OK， 係邊一隻角咧？就 OK, the next one, number 12 number 12
230度。
Yes. How to find that?
等先。
頭先你話咗俾我知係邊一隻角先
？N 跟住 B 同埋 A 咯。
NBA angle NBA。咦？如果你咁樣嘅話，咪即係講緊裡面呢一隻啊？係咪呢一隻？
我講出面嗰隻。
出面嗰隻咁，所以加個咩字喺前面啊
？exterior。
反角。
reflex。
Yes, reflex angle。好啦，點樣揾呢一隻 reflex angle 啊？
因為我揾咗 compass bearing 先嘅，我係。
哦，你揾咗 compass bearing 先 ，OK。好啦，咁我哋不如就跳落去做 compass bearing 先咯。好啦，咁 compass bearing 你揾咗邊隻先啊？
我揾咗W。BC 係等於15度咯，因為 alternate angles
WBC，OK， 嗱等我 hold 一 hold 先，呢一度你揾咗呢一隻先，呢一隻係幾多度啊？
呢隻係15度。
點解？
因為 alternate angles 75度個位度係90減75啊嘛。
OK， 咁所以你係揾咗第一隻，你揾咗呢隻先 ，OK， 跟住就等於75度，90度減75度 ，OK， 咁即係15度，跟住咧？
跟住就知道咗嗰個 ADS 係等於56度。
56度點嚟
？90減15減19。
Yes， 減19 ，so is equal to 幾多啊
？56。
56度 ，OK， 你揾到呢隻56度，咁所以 compass bearing
係 south 56度 west。OK，
就係 south 56度 west。Thank you。OK， so you have shown me some steps. Good. Okay, at last, if you want to find the compass true bearing, then you are just starting from north and walk towards the whole angle. So it equals to 180 plus 56 degree. So it equals to 236 degree. Compass bearing of A from B。OK， 嗱，但係留意一樣嘢，你如果你直接俾我嘅話咧，我都係嗰句啦。你無啦啦懟一句同我講話嗱，所以咧呢一個就係56度，我係唔明點樣解嘅。OK， 咁但係你點樣去寫個 steps 俾我咧？你都係要需要 define 啲 angle 俾我。OK， 而啱啱有講過啦，你寫話呢一隻角，例如我想講呢一隻紫色嘅角，你寫 WBC 俾我。咁我個問題就嚟啦，呢個 W 係 stand for 乜嘢先？每個位都有 west 呢個方向嘅喎。OK， 每一個 coordinate， 每一個 position 你都有 W 㗎。WBC 你講緊邊個 W 先 ？OK， 咁所以 W 唔係一個 letters 嚟啊，佢只係一個方向。你如果要 define 個 point 嘅話，咁唔該你自己用一啲你識嘅 symbols 去 define 呢件事出嚟。例如我會用呢個 B point 嘅 W， 咁所以 W 細 b 去代表緊 B 的 west position， 然後 BC，OK， 去 identify 翻你係揾緊呢一隻角。如果唔係咧，睇死人㗎啦。當然你話係咪一定要 follow 呢一件事 ？OK， 咁我會同你講唔係，你中意叻晒，你中意好似呢個圖咁樣，你中意叻唔係叻 MB， 唔係叻 EB， 唔係叻 SB， 冇問題。OK， 例如你中意叻呢個 point B， 你中意叻佢做 T U V W 得唔得？完全冇問題，你自己叻。OK， 但係我同你講係啦，你中唔得 CCSC 唔得，因為 CCSC 咧就會出現到有3個 C， 所以唔得。OK， 你中意點叻都得，但係你記住你嘅字母得26個。OK， 例如你而家個圖裡面有5個 point。咁本身已經用咗 A、B、C、D、E 5個字母㗎啦 ，OK？ 咁你要再叻每一個 coordinate， 即係每一個 position，OK？ 每個 stage 咧，你要叻4楷嘢咧，咁你就需要總共再叻多20個字母。咁你睇下你夠唔夠字母用啦 ？OK？ 咁 that's why 我就會用一啲 NB、EB、SB、WB 去幫我自己減少使用字母呢一樣嘢啫。OK， 但係你個 step 點樣去 present 俾我呢一樣嘢，我就希望你可以寫得清清楚楚嘅，而唔係直接90度減15度減19度等於56度，所以 the bearing is 56度。到底呢啲15度呢19度講緊乜嘢我都唔知講乜。OK， 麻煩你寫得清楚啲，就係咁啦。OK， 都係嗰句啦，你畫隻龜落去我都唔理你。OK， 你當然你唔好畫隻龜啦。OK， 好 bearing， 咁呢條簡單嘢搞掂喎，跟住就不如等你試下做一做先啦。OK，if you are finished, example 3, take a photo to the Google Chat. OK，I want to see how you present it。我唔想你就咁懟個角度俾我，懟個角度俾我，我又唔明你寫緊乜。Okay. So if you are finished, please take a photo to the Google Chat. Okay. This time I want you to finish page 10 of your notes. 唔係，如果你有啲更加好嘅 presentation， 歡迎你話翻俾我知啊。OK， 咁等我可以同全班 share。Okay. So please do example 3.另外，我想問 mark sheet 嗰度有冇人要改嘅？冇啦，應該。OK， good。Okay, so please take a photo of your work to the Google Chat so that I can take a look. OK， 咁我自己就慣性每一個做之前咧，我都畫咗個10字先嘅。OK， 咁所以如果你話喂 Mr. Lee 我真係唔係喎，我中意用慣 D E F G H I J K 都冇問題，咁你咪叻咯。D E F G H I J K L M N O， 你自己叻啦。OK。Thank you, Joshua. I received your work. 快啲，快啲，快啲，得一個嘅，點解得一個嘅？喂，做完要影相啊！做完影相啊！喂。Thank you. The second one. Congratulations. Okay, Felix, you are the second one. Congratulations. Thank you so much. 咦，但係點解你係領緊 example？ 咦，呢個係咪 example three 啊？咦，我哋條 example three 唔同嘅。喊出嚟有兩條 example three 啊！你認咗第一條 example three 啊，我要做緊第二條 example three 啊。Sorry，我錯，呢條啊，呢條。食炸糊啊！再嚟過啊！加油啊！咁多位同志們，快少少唔該。第二位啊 Kenny 啊，非常之好啊！我哋終於收到第二位答案啦！哇，掂啊！第一個，喂，但係 true bearing 咧都依然係兩個數字㗎，你個 true bearing，真係陰公啊，又炒車啊 ！OK，true bearing 有三個數字啊嘛，so sad to see that。OK， 除咗呢一個咧，其他都非常之 perfect。OK， 其他同學加油啊，俾心機啊！ OK， 努力啊！而家第三位同學仲未出現啊！第三個同學出現啊，善形啊，善形非常之好啊！ The true bearing， wow， very good， very clear，good job。係啊，冇錯啊！我有好多個同學同我一齊喺沙灘度上緊堂啊！呢度嗱，3號又係上緊沙灘度上緊堂啦，有啲係水底啊，有啲肯定喺第二個時區夜晚度放緊煙花，一路放煙花一路上堂。Very good。
佢個水底綠色
㗎。水底污染係咁。
Hello， 大家好啊！有冇人有掛住我啊？
唔好阻我上堂。
Hello。
你睇下有人即刻 left 咗個 meeting 啦。
咩？
你睇下。喂，客席嘉賓走開。
哇 ，Anson 你使乜笑到咁癲
？Anson 仲未 upload 條題目俾我，啱啱我見到佢死魚咁嘅眼。得啦 ，Joshua submit again. Yes, good. Okay, then家俊 yes, 家俊 work. Okay, I see that. 家俊又係嗰個問題 ，true bearing 有幾多個數字㗎？有幾多個數字㗎 ？true bearing 啊 ？true bearing 兩個數字嘅啫咩 ？OK， 此其一，其二， 勉強接受啦，但係啲 presentation 寫得麻麻地啦。例如我 training angles 又寫唔清個 reason 啦，跟住啲 angles define 得幾好嘅，OK 係啦，但係都最好寫翻啲即係 full presentation 啦，考試嘅時候。Oh, Mr. Yu, I see your work now. Finally, let me see your work, whether it is perfect or not. 我睇你加箭嘴就知道你有點東西啦。Okay, good, perfect, but 即係你點講咧？你哋啲 presentation 睇到我其實唔係好舒服嘅，即係我會形容為唔係太舒服，因為點講咧？太多同一隻角啦，即係同一隻角，例如點解無啦啦減69度啊？點解無啦啦有90度乘3啊？呢啲其實都即係表達得，即係你又話係咪錯咧？唔係錯，但係睇得舒唔舒服咧？完全唔舒服嘅，係啦。咁你自己睇下點樣可以令我睇得舒服啲啦。當然可以，即係可以再寫得好啲個 presentation。OK， 跟住就到 Yeah, Vincent, yes. Oh, interesting. You draw a right angle in the middle. Very good. OK, good, perfect。嗱，如果你好似 Vincent 咁寫咧，我就睇得舒服啦。即係 at least 我知道complex pairing of 乜乜 from 乜乜。OK， 我係知道你係由邊個 point 出發，你唔係亂咁作隻角俾我嘅。OK， 又或者你可以 define 得清楚，嗰隻角咧就等於呢隻角，咁所以呢隻角例如 SA、AB， 咁我就等於21度。咁呢啲就寫得非常之清楚，我就睇得好舒服。OK，I love you so much。OK， 嗱，如果可以嘅話，真係學下俊賢嗰個 presentation 啦，或者線形嗰個都幾舒服嘅睇得。OK， 係啦，跟住就係咁啦。Kenny 嗰個都舒服嘅，係啦 ，Kenny 嗰個都舒服嘅，係啦。余生嗰個就都 OK 嘅，但係最好寫翻嗰啲 from where to where 啦。OK，of what to what 啦。OK， 其他同學繼續。So we have geometry, coordinates and angles now. 唔明